These are 3 drinks you can make for your loved one at home. First, I'm going to tell you how to make the strawberries and cream iced latte. If your machine, like my Casa Brews, includes a pressurized portafilter, I recommend you replace it with a bottomless one to get the best taste for all of these drinks. This drink requires a double shot of espresso, so to do that, I'm going to weigh out about 15 grams of my favorite espresso beans. I like to use medium to light roast so that it complements the sweetness of the drink. Next, you're going to grind your beans and then use your WDT tool to break up the clumps that may be left over. Then I'm going to tamp it down, but not too hard, just enough to fully compact. Next, I'm going to press the double shot button and let it pool until it reaches about 30 grams, and then I'll stop it so that it stops at 36 grams of espresso. Next, you're going to want to take some sweetened condensed milk and add around a tablespoon of it to a glass. After you finish adding the sweetened condensed milk, pour the hot double shot of espresso over top and stir so that the two become homogeneous. In a separate glass, we're going to start our strawberry sweet cream cold foam. Add 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 tablespoon of strawberry syrup. I used Hershey's, but you can make homemade strawberry syrup or any other brand that you like. Take your electric hand frother and mix for about 10 seconds until it's super foamy. Going back to the drink, fill up your glass with ice, and then I like to line the cup with strawberry syrup. Fill the glass almost to the top with milk, and then finish by pouring your strawberry sweet cream cold foam on top. And that's how you make the strawberries and cream iced latte. Next up, we have the iced dark chocolate raspberry mocha. First, take a bar of dark chocolate, but make sure it's not too dark because you don't want this drink to be bitter. Then break it up into chunks and add about 20 grams to an espresso glass. After you've done that, you're going to want to put it into the microwave for 30 seconds to soften the dark chocolate. After that, prepare and pull a double shot of espresso. Again, I'm using 15 grams for my double shot of espresso and aiming for about 36 grams out. Then, taking a spoon, make sure to mix up the dark chocolate and espresso well. We're going to be making the sweet cream cold foam the exact same way. 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 tablespoon of raspberry syrup. And then taking your electric hand frother, froth for about 10 seconds. Going back to your glass, line it with milk chocolate syrup, and then fill your glass to the top with ice, and then about 3/4 full with milk. Pour your espresso shot slowly over the top so you get a nice cascading effect. Finish by pouring your raspberry cold foam on top, and we like chocolate around here, so load it up with some more chocolate drizzle. So that's how you make the iced dark chocolate raspberry mocha. If you want to make these delicious drinks at home but you don't have an espresso machine, the Casa Brews CM5418 is the best beginner espresso machine. It makes amazing espresso and it's very affordable. What's even better is if you use my code CuriouslyCoffee15 on Casa Brews website, you get an additional 15% off your order. For the final drink, we'll be making a sea salt caramel mocha. To a cup, add about 10 grams of chocolate sauce and 5 grams of caramel sauce. Add in a pinch of salt to enhance the coffee flavor. Then pull a double shot of espresso over all of these ingredients, making sure to stir them in well with a spoon. Then take the steam wand and steam about 8 ounces of milk. And if you don't know how to do this, you can check out my channel page for a full tutorial. Then pour your steamed milk straight into your espresso, making sure to swirl to fully incorporate the ingredients. Then for the fun part, pour some latte art on top, and if you want, add caramel and chocolate sauce to top the drink off. And that's how you make the sea salt caramel mocha. Make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome coffee content.